Hello everybody, my name is Andrew and I'm with Pure Resonance Audio. In this video, we're going to discuss the components you need for an outdoor sound system. So when designing a sound system, oftentimes there's some key differences whenever you're designing an indoor versus an outdoor sound system. The basic components are the same, maybe an amplifier, speaker wire, and basic loudspeakers, but there are some key differences that I want to touch on. So let's start with the speakers. There are speakers that are indoor rated and outdoor rated, or could be used for both scenarios, like these two in front of us. Outdoor speakers have an IP rating that ensures that they're dust tight and water resistant so that they can be outdoors and you're not gonna have damage to those speakers. The other thing is speaker wire. Speaker wire is rated for indoor use and outdoor use. It's important that you have the right wire when you are putting an outdoor sound system together. Here in front of us, I have two options. This is a 12 gauge wire that you would typically see indoors. This is also a 12 gauge wire that is burial grade outdoor rated cable. You can see some differences here. This is a lot thicker. The outer sheath is going to protect it from water. You would have no problem using this outdoors in a burial grade type scenario where you need to bury your cable to various locations. So speaker wire is very important, the type of speakers that you use. And then lastly, I want to talk about the electronic side. It's important that wherever your amplifier and your mixer is located, any electronics need to be in a secure enclosure to where they are completely free and safe from the outdoor elements. You don't want to get your electronics rained on or wet in any way. Ideally, you want those components to be in a climate controlled environment. So if you have an IT closet, or for like a stadium application, you have a press box or something like that, it's important that those electronic components are safe and free of any water and outdoor elements. So that's basically the simple explanation of what you need for an outdoor sound system. If you have an outdoor application and you need help designing a system to make sure you have the right speakers in place, the right wire in place, and the right amplification in place, give us a call and we'll be happy to help with that design. If this was helpful, please like, subscribe. We're going to link some products in the description below. Our contact information will be available for you, so give us a call and we'll be more than happy to assist going forward. Thanks for joining us and we'll see you guys next time.